week on Monday to make sure that you're able to complete each of the assignments and activities for each of your 6 courses by Friday. I want to give you a few options for what that routine might look like now. Ultimately, you are going to have to decide on the routine that works best for you, but having a few options I think is going to help. The first option is on Monday, you could click into each of your 6 courses. Click into the continuous learning folder and actually write down on a piece of paper the checklist that is underneath that week's folder. Then, as you complete each of those activities or assignments, you can actually cross it off your checklist. The second option is doing the same, clicking into each of your courses and finding that checklist. But instead of creating a checklist that you can cross off, you could create a planner for yourself. So you could map out a planner or print off the one that Ms. Campbell sent to families. I'll also post this in Schoology. But you could plan out, I'm going to get done the activity number 1 on Monday, and I'm going to do my daily Spanish assignment Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You can plan out when you're going to get each of those activities and assignments done. So that might be another option that could really help. The third option is using the calendar. So I'm going to be honest. Right now, your teachers are not doing as good of a job at being consistent in how we post in the calendar. So it is a little bit messy right now, but it is an option for you. So each week, your teachers are supposed to be posting a calendar entry that starts on Monday and ends on Friday. That calendar entry has the goals for that week, what you need to get done that week. So each of your teachers has posted this. If you click into the calendar, you could use the calendar as your checklist, or you could use the calendar to start from and write down each of the activities and assignments you need to get done that week. I want to show you quickly how to change your calendar a bit so that it's easier to understand. I'm going to have you come up, and I actually would love everyone to do this. Come up to the All Calendars click up top, and what you're going to do is over on the side you'll see these little colors. I want you to change each of your courses to a different color. I would just go through like this. So then when I scroll down to that week, I can see what calendar items are connected. So for example, here's my Spanish checklist for that week of when I need to get done. And I can see that my Spanish office hours are at 1:30 on Wednesday. Or for math, here's my math checklist. And I can see that my math team meeting is at 1:30 on Monday. So the calendar is another option for you. I will say that it is a little messy right now for some of you because your teachers are still figuring it out, but the calendar is a great option. So I want to remind you of your 3 options. Your first option for your routine is to click into each of your courses. On Monday, do it on Monday. Click on the continuous learning folder and write down the checklist of what you need to complete. Then you can cross it off once you've completed it. I want you to notice that there are some classes that may say things like do daily activity. So you'll need to write down like Monday activity, Tuesday activity, Wednesday activity, Thursday activity, Friday activity. You could also, second routine, you could plan out your week and actually decide when you are going to complete each of those activities. Third option is to use the calendar, but you're going to make sure that you have changed the color for each of your courses by going to the All Calendars and changing the colors. So that you're able to see which items are connected and you can plan your week accordingly. So we would like for you right now to choose the routine that you think is going to work the best for you. If if you're watching this video not on Monday, go and try that routine right then. Your goal is to try to get each of the assignments and activities for each of your 6 courses completed by Friday.